Autumn Beckman here. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. My channel is all about luxury on a budget. If you're into that sort of thing, click the subscribe button, the bell notification icon, and the like button to like the videos. Today's video is inspired by a question that I saw in one of the Facebook groups asking people how they store the straps for their Louis Vuitton handbags. And I'm gonna show you how I store mine, because I find it really helpful the way that I do it. And a lot of you probably already do this, but for those of you who don't, you might get a good idea. I'm gonna switch over to my vlogging camera and take you into my closet to show you how I store my straps. My crossbody straps I keep rolled up in their dust bags. Let me show you. This one is from my Terrain, and then the one right behind it is from my Eva. And I do that because these are so long. So I just coil them up like this, not too tight because I don't want them to be like a spring when I undo them. And I clip the ends so it'll stay together. And because this is not solid brass, it's coated, so there's silver underneath and the coating will wear off. I do like to, I can't really do this one-handed, but I like to not just press one clasp against the other to get this to open. I go ahead and open it and try not to touch them to each other, so I just don't wear it out so quickly. But yeah, so this is the Terrain strap, the Eva strap in the dust bags, and those stand up like that. And let me show you how I do the rest of my straps. Okay, up here where I have my clothes, and over here I have my scarves, I hang my straps from this. And actually most of them aren't hanging, they're clipped to this thing. And what this hanger is for scarves. So you're supposed to just, you know, put a big fat scarf here and thinner scarves there. It makes them easy to see and keeps them pretty compact and very accessible. I try to organize it a little bit. So I have my black ones here, the more vachetta, lighter color ones on the other side, this one on this side, and that works really well for me. Some of the longer ones, there's really only this longer one here, I have hung over. I could do that with those two crossbody straps that I just showed you, but then they'd hang really long, and I just don't want them hanging that long and in the way. And I really don't want vachetta hanging over the metal either, because I feel like that could tarnish the vachetta over time, or you know, mark it up somehow. So I just keep the other two coiled and hang all these here. And it's as simple as that. And I got these, I think that came in a set of 3 of those hangers. I probably got them at TJ Maxx or Marshall's, but I'll see if I can find a link on Amazon and put that below for you. What other methods for storing straps do you use? Do you store them inside your bags? Do you keep them curled up somewhere in a drawer in dust bags? Do you hang them like this? Do you have some other system? Share that in the comments section below, please, so we can learn from you and get some more ideas. Thanks so much for watching. Have a fantastic day. Bye.